Interrupted with the Coremanager Library DLL blocking Localized engine orchestration workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To begin our Coremanager library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Coremanager library, a generic core management engine. This module manages the primary unmanaged lifecycle of modular software applications, coordinating the loading of sub-DLLs and facilitating the orchestration of shared resource manifests across process threads. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Because Coremanager Library DLL is tied to the Localized engine orchestration runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Coremanager library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Coremanager Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files. Your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Coremanager Library and PC Health. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Coremanager Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.